And to talk about the role traditional medicine plays in our daily lives and what transpired at the second WHO Traditional Medicine Global Medicine Summit, which the Prime Minister addressed this evening along with the WHO chief. I'm joined on the show by Mona Lisa Das. She's the Joint Secretary. She's a Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Ayush. Thank you, Ms. Dash, for being on this show. First of all, let me begin by asking you, the Prime Minister says that, the traditional medicine will provide a holistic health to the country along with modern medicine. This is a sentiment the WHO chief also echoed. The various initiatives taken under the Ayush Ministry, is that having effect? What is your experience in a country as large as ours?
In the traditional medicine sector, indeed, India is a lead country.
Mm-hmm.
And this second global summit on the traditional medicine sector, this is a great initiative. This is held for the second time, and the first one was held in 2023. And in this summit, more than 110 countries they participated, and 800 people they participated physically, and 20,000 people they participated virtually. And the biggest thing is, like in the ministerial roundtable, 27 countries they participated, and I can say that 27 ministerial health ministers of various countries, and the vice ministers they participated in this event, which is a very big achievement. And so far as the speech of Honorable Prime Minister is concerned, Honorable Prime Minister, he gave a global call for the traditional medicine consortium uh, for the evidence generation, which is a very basic requirement for the traditional medicine sector, ensuring research funding and multilateral research center. So this will definitely give a boost to the research sector, and especially for the youngsters, to come and to participate in the traditional medicine sector. And also, Honorable Prime Minister spoke about the ashwagandha, the revered drug of India,
Okay,
which
okay,
is
okay, Ms.
basically
Dash, we'll
originated.
come to what the Prime Minister spoke about and the various initiatives that were announced today. Let's do that one by one. You said he spoke about a global repository of knowledge on traditional medicine, a global consortium. But given that there were delegates from other countries and the WHO chief was there, do you think there is increasing awareness in the world about the use of traditional medicine or its value, given that modern medicine is something which dominates our health sector?
Yes, but with time, all of us, we want to lead a more natural life, and to follow, the natural medicine. Given a choice, everyone intends to have the natural medicine and try to get relieved of the health issues. So definitely, the entire world is turning towards, the traditional medicine sector, and try to and but only requirement, basic requirement here is, the the efficacy and the research behind that medicine. So that is that thing is actually addressed in this summit, so that people have the access to safe and safe medicine, and having the efficacy of the medicine is proved.
And that's why the Prime Minister launched an initiative like the traditional medicine mark. That means a certain kind of a marking on it, which could have a certain gold standard and which could be used worldwide.
Yes, the ICE mark was also launched today, and it is a quality assurance. Uh, Actually, it will give a quality services to the people in India, as well as to people who are staying outside. So anyone wants to avail the traditional medicine services, uh, they should be sure that they are availing quality treatment and traditional medicine services. So this IUS mark will definitely give a boost to the traditional medicine sector, in offering quality services to the people.
Okay. Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, the WHO chief, welcomed the launch of the traditional medicine library, and he said that this is going to be a platform of trust. What did he really mean by that?
See, traditional medicine, especially in India, I would say it is more than thousand years old. Lot of it's a good repository, but the repository has to be consolidatedly to be made available somewhere. So this initiative actually it will bring all the research publications that is happening across the globe in all the traditional medicine sector, not only in Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani. So that anyone wants to carry out research in this sector, they have authentic data in a single pooled form. So this is a great initiative which is inaugurated today jointly by Honorable Prime Minister and DGWHO.
The Prime Minister also spoke about the role yoga plays, how India has been leading. We all know the yoga movement and how the UN recognizes the International Yoga Day, how it brings balance, harmony and health in an individual's life. Today, awards were given for the recipients of the Prime Minister's Award for outstanding contribution to promotion and development of yoga. They were facilitated by the Prime Minister himself. How long a way it goes in making yoga really a people's movement?
See, the India's basic principle, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So all the world is one family, and yoga is a treasure of India. So if you follow that principle, then every human being, residing on this earth, should be benefited by this yoga. And this potential of yoga was recognized, especially given a big boost by our Honorable Prime Minister. And this PM Yoga Award is being given to individual as well as the institutions. So, and this award is not only restricted to India. The awards are also given to the international individuals and research.
Okay, I think we've lost the video link with Ms. Dash. We'll try and connect back to her. These are visuals playing out of the awards that the Prime Minister gave today these are recipients of the Prime Minister's Awards for outstanding contribution to the promotion and development of yoga for the past 4 years. That's from 2021 to 2025, recognizing their sustained dedication to yoga and its global promotion. In fact, the Prime Minister said that yoga has guided humanity across the world towards a life of health, balance and harmony. So these awards, as Ms. Dash was saying, are not just given to the Indians working in the field of yoga, but also organizations and individuals internationally. So we're not getting the link back with Ms. Dash for some reason. We'll move on for the moment.